Yes, guys, come join me and let's stroll the park or the Quezon Memorial Circle here in Quezon City. Yes, kinukonsider din guys tong Quezon Memorial Circle as a tourist spot. Marami rin gumagala dito guys. Yes, it's one landmark in Quezon City. Napakaluwag nito guys. Pag Christmas season guys, maraming nakaset up dito. Yes guys, Quezon was the first Senate president elected to the presidency. The first president elected through a national election and the first president to be re-elected. He is known as the father of the national language or yes guys, the late President Manuel Quezon ay kilala bilang ama ng wikang Pilipino. During his presidency, Quezon addressed the problem of landless peasants in the country, which is the Philippines guys. Yes guys, ito yung Quezon Memorial Circle. Napakaluwag guys. Sentro siya ng Quezon City. Dito nakahimlay ang labi ni late President Manuel Quezon sa mausoleo. Yes guys, Quezon Memorial Circle. Yan sina atin nag-aalaga QC. I love Quezon Memorial Circle. Linis ng paligid guys. That was the situation here guys. Weekdays, sorry. Yeah, walang masyadong tao pero pag weekends guys, puno dito. Ang daming tao dito. Mostly may ginaganap dito na concert guys sa Memorial Circle. Yes guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you so much and see you on my next episodes. Bye bye.